A short story of Binalonan. The municipality of Binalonan can be found at the central eastern plains of Pangasinan and as a part of Tuboy-Tulong River System. The Tuboy-Tulong River System has its headwater in the mountains that separated Pangasinan from Benguet, named Alan and Alagot. Several small streams join near its watershed, most of the time carrying gold particles from gold beds in the mountains during Spanish period. The town of Binalonan served as the crossroad of different cultures such as Pangasinan, Ilocano, and Cordilleran, thus bearing witness to the growth and development of educational institutions, connecting roads and highways, cultural exchanges, and migration. The place of Binalonan first appeared on the early 18th century, but the place was declared as independent municipality of Manaoac in 1834. Its declaration of municipality status has long history of conflict and animosity between principalities. The first attempt was in 1822, but only approved by 1934. The Santo Niño Church was built in 1841, and according to its mother parish in Manaoac, the town of Binalonan was sparsely populated and forested during the early 18th century. How it became an agricultural district has long history connected with political fiasco, trend in migration, and a long distance to the policies implemented during colonial period. The location of Binalonan could have also served as a base operation for the Dominican friars, as connecting links to their mission in their neighbor mountains of Benguet. Furthermore, it also served as the new home for Ilocano migrants who fled from excruciating labor condition of tobacco plantings in Ilocos. An arrest the Ilocos caused by the government abuses, especially the levying of taxes on basi, led to social upheaval such as the Basi Revolt of 1807 and the Sarat Revolt of 1816. The difficult living condition, compounded by lack of arable land, forced countless families to seek a better fortune elsewhere. During the Spanish period from 16th century from 17th century, the municipality of Binalonan was classified under the hacienda jurisdiction of Older Magaldan.